Hello everybody, 390 Wagon Master here with my funky lighting. Apparently the LED light I have overhead is messing with my camera, so I'm sorry about this like 1980s video quality here. So Mr. Carlock sent something in the mail today. Actually, it's been a while. I went and checked the mail day before yesterday, and I haven't done this for a while, so I'm sorry guys. I wasn't being rude. It's just actually that P.O. box is more for personal stuff, and all my personal business dealings are done with, and you know, I don't check it as much as I should probably, but I honestly don't expect anything. So you guys are, you know, just freaking awesome. I don't care what 3Made says. How the hell are you doing anyway, 3Made? All right, so I've got my worldwide most famous Rife knife. Thank you, Dallas. The man, the myth, the legend. The most popular YouTuber without any videos. No, I don't know. I haven't checked his channel for a while. So on my little supposed 1 month hiatus, I gotta be honest with you, I've been watching more of you guys on YouTube, and I've found some new people too, and yeah, it's been kind of cool. So I haven't been lollygagging around on vacation. Plus, I'm helping the better half. Oh, this is packed really good. Thank you, sir. Gosh. Okay, I gotta go off camera for a second to make sure there's no personal information like I did on that last video. No weed. Ah, dang it. Okay, what do we have here? We have bubble wrapping. Whoever buys a radio from me or whatever gets something from me, I guarantee I'll be reusing this bubble pack. We'll be getting some Carlock bubble pack here. I don't know, I'm just winging it, guys. I don't know what the hell to say. Wagon Master's at a loss for words? Wait, what? Oh, dude. Oh, dude. That's out of aluminum and aluminum. Oh, that is so freaking cool. Oh, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, I see paperwork underneath it, so... No, no paperwork. All right. Cool. Oh, shizzles. Is there two? Oh, there... Okay, so... I've seen Bud Bucket and 3Made. This is aluminum as well. Okay, so I guess that's a back plate. Wow. You, my friend, are going to have to school me on how to properly do that. Anyway, I just want to, let's see here. I'm going to take off the blue tape for a second. I want to see what he was going by here. Oh, come on, Mike. Jesus. Okay, it just says Carlock on it, so thank you very much, Mr. C. I don't know if Carlock and what is it, Carlock Farms are related. I believe they are, but I'm not sure. If I'm wrong, please correct me. Dude, that is awesome. Wagon Master 39 and a 0. Thank you, sir. That's freaking cool. That is awesome. Too many puppies. Anyway, let's see. That is cool. Thank you, sir. I appreciate that. That is pretty cool, man. I will wear that with pride. Thank you, sir. I appreciate that. You guys are, well, you guys are just too good. I don't know what to say. But thank you. And I appreciate your support. Each and every single one of you guys. Even 3Made. All right. Cheers, everybody. Take care. Thank you. Bye-bye.